Baby bottle feeding baby can be a big step for parents who decide to feed their little children with milk using bottles. Before you choose the bottle that your baby will be using, there are several things that you need to know. First, you have to know specific details about your baby as well as how often you plan to use the milk bottle.
Questions that you need to ask yourself before deciding what bottle to buy include how often you intend to feed your baby with the bottle, what you will be putting in the bottle, and how you will be cleaning it.
Among other things that you need to figure out before you buy the bottle is how much milk you have to put in it, how much your baby will need, as well as the correct shape of the bottle.
When you have finally decided on the perfect bottle to use, there are many baby bottle feeding tips that you must always remember. One is the right temperature of the bottle that your baby prefers.
It is best that you try on different amounts of safe temperature and see which one your baby prefers the most. It can vary from being a little too warm or on room temperature.
One thing that you must never do with milk bottles is to microwave them. Regardless of what the bottle contains, you should never put it through a microwave oven and risk getting your baby burnt by hot spots that may form on the bottle.
Even if the liquid is at the right temperature, some areas of the bottle may not be, and they could hurt your baby.
Positioning your baby while feeding him or her is also important in bottle feeding. Bring your baby to a comfortable position every time.
Usually, little children prefer being held on the lap with their heads rested on the crook of their parent's arm. Make sure that you hold the baby in a slightly upright position to make it easier for him or her to drink the milk from the bottle.
Switching sides is also recommended as long as you don't do it too often to the point that it may already distract your baby from his or her meal.
If you like to stay comfortable, you can always shift your body's position or even use a pillow to hold your arm up. Make sure that you are sitting comfortably to avoid having a sore upper back or a stiff neck during feeding.